And welcome back to our Forethought training sessions. And in this particular session, we're going to talk about math. Spend some time in the math area of Forethought, and just briefly go over some of the changes in structure that were made to the Forethought tree, as well as any resources that have been uploaded that you need to know about. So we're going to go into elementary. I'm going to go ahead and jump to first grade. We'll come back to kindergarten in just a second, but let's take a look at first grade, because the first grade tree is very compact and basically has all of the elements here, kind of really easy to navigate. So as we look at this tree in Forethought, we'll see that the TEKS are first, and you do have a grade 1 standards and you have a grade 2 standards. That doesn't mean you're going to be teaching second grade standards all year. This component is basically for the end of the year, for what the new adoption, Pearson Math, calls the bridge to second grade. So that's what that's for. Then you have your ELPS and your CCRS standards right there that'll cover the entire spectrum for first grade. And then within the curriculum documents, you do have your YAG, and so that's basically a Word document that you can open up, and you will see that the curriculum writers here have broken everything down by reporting period, and then within each reporting period there is a topic. So reporting period 1, you're going to basically cover topics 1, 2, and 3, and then in reporting period 2 you're covering 4 and 5. So basically works that way. And then I'm going to go ahead and close that. But you'll see down here the units are basically the reporting period. So within unit 1, that's basically where you're going to cover topics 1, 2, and 3, and then unit 2, topics 4 and 5. So you're going to have to work between your YAG and the way that the tree is structured here to kind of keep your pacing. And so all the number of days that are listed here are consistent with the school calendar and the number of days in each reporting period. So that's first grade, and you can kind of see very compact. If we go back and look at kindergarten, you can see the difference between first grade and kindergarten. And the kindergarten is much more expanded, and so basically the kindergarten writers went ahead and organized by topic, from topic 1 all the way down to topic 16. So either way, it works. Probably this way works best for kinder, and the other way works best for first grade teachers. And so the content is the same. You still have your standards, your ELPS, your CCRS, your curriculum documents with your YAG, and then all of your units, and then down here is that step up to grade 1. If we look at second grade and look at it again, here they have the different TEKS, and here they're just organized a little differently. Instead of by unit, it's by topic, and so you definitely need to make sure that you're able to navigate here, and just a little bit more, just a different structure, but the content is the same with the curriculum documents, and then each unit is structured the same. As we go through third and up and look at those, you can see here again by unit, the tree, curriculum documents, your standards, and then fourth grade. We take a look at fourth grade. I kind of like the way fourth grade structured their tree, because they basically did each reporting period and then told you, so within reporting period 1 covering topics 1 through 3, and then 2, 4 through 7, and so on and so forth. So that's kind of a neat way to do it. And then we go to 5th grade, and you can kind of begin to see a pattern here, kind of the same thing with the way that they structured it. Again, curriculum documents and then content resources. Those are your two big areas. And then finally, when we get down to 6th grade, a little bit different, because 6th grade does have a different textbook. So some of the content will be the same, but once again, standards, curriculum documents right here with your YAG, and then your unit, all the same, with the content resources all the same as well. And that's pretty much math in a nutshell. Try to keep this brief for you to refer back to in the future if you need it. We will continue to add more Forethought sessions to this training series, but we hope that this has been helpful.